Today's star of the shave is Adopted Acres Soap Aluminum Razor. Stay tuned for a golden shave. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today I'm doing the Razor Company Shave and Chat, and today the star of the shave is Adopted Acres Soap Aluminum Razor. I'm also using Ariana and Eva's Plum Bliss, my beautiful Nameless work brush with a G5 synthetic knot. I see I'm stumbling already. And a beautiful Yulay Honeycomb bowl. And of course, my new rabbit hole, the bougie sprayer. Oh man. It's so great to have a nice shave and chat. Get to talk to you people. Read your comments to see what you think about it. I heard great things about this razor and I figured, hey, I want to give it a try. It's like so many great products out there. Like, we're living in a golden age of traditional wet shaving. Oh man, I'm looking forward to this. For me, it reminds me of another razor, like the head type, the Henson. But that's a whole other story. Oh, I forgot I'm using the Gillette razor blade. Nacet. Gillette Nacet razor blade. Oh man. If you would have told me in my beginning journeys that, Jason, you would fall in love with Ariana and Evan's Plum Bliss, I would say you're crazy. That's not like gourmandy enough. I would just say I'm sticking with one razor, turn to twist open, adjustable, and only gourmands or citrus. But I fell down many rabbit holes. Oh man, this is a good shave. Bravos on finding this, Doug Lane. And you know, for an aluminum razor, it's pretty heavy compared to other aluminums. And I think it's the handle. So I had an interesting day. Did some errands. Ended up in the laundromat. I wait the perfect time. There's like only two other people there, and the people who work there who do laundry for the people who drop off their laundry at, so it could get washed and folded and nice in those duffel bag stuff. As you can see, I don't got that much going on in my life. I'm just waiting still for answers of help I need for programs or colleges I want to go to, that have programs for training, and it just seems like everything halted for me. Like, ugh. So, if I keep repeating myself, I'm sorry, but I have no life. Wow, this is a good shaver. But I do have something. I have a beautiful community that I call my family, and you could guess what it is. It's the wet shaving community. I get so much wellness checks from people, 5 or 6 people daily, and it just makes a difference in my world. For someone that's mostly alone with their cats, it feels so good to have people reaching out saying, "How you doing, brother? Thank you for this," or "You're awesome," and having that foundation is very important. So, this shaving chat is not just a fool like me bumbling on and rambling on. It's just sharing a message, and, it may not be a central message. It may be like one of those types of messages you go all over the map. But yeah, I'm happy, and thank you for accepting me in this community. I can never say that enough. Again? Oh man. I guess I do have to get some new earbuds or AirBuds, whatever you call. I read an article that you should change your earbuds every 3 to 6 months. Me being a messy shaver. But yeah, back to what I did. I did some phone calls, left a lot of voicemail messages, and That was basically my day. That and doing errands and chores. And the laundromat, which is cool. I don't know about you, but being in a laundromat, I made a mess. Being in a laundromat is like very relaxing for me. With the sounds of the machine washers chug chug and the dryers humming. Hey, that's my personal preference. Let me get back to the shave. Wow. I would highly recommend any beginner to get this razor. It's kind of medium, like, the aggression level, but hey, you put in a nice little mild blade or a mild medium blade and find the right angle, which is easy, and you'll do great. Also, you have a lot of people that ask in this wet shaving family on what to use and how to use things, and there's a spectrum of things people would tell you, because some people like certain things and some people don't like other things. Like, it's basically life. Oh man, I'm loving this shave. Oh, funny thing. Cats or pets in general, I'm going to speak from the cats because I have cats. They're like children. Like, they know who to beg for food and whose plate to go to. With me, my cats know, hey, feeding time's at this time and that time, and they try that stuff on me. I just ignore them, and they don't even bother going to me. People say that's torture. I'm like, no, I don't want no obese cats, and then later on I have to take them to the vet because they're eating too much. So yeah, my girl cat tried to go up to people asking for food, and she's like, and they oh, I'm like, she eats good. She goes up to me and looks at me and then just walks by. Let me rinse off some more. God, this is a good shave. Good razor. Affordable price. And great for any beginner or afterwards, you master your technique to a certain extent, and it's a great daily shaver. I mean, in my opinion. This beautiful ambrosia of a splash. Excuse me. So yeah, as you can tell, I have a boring life. Unless if I'm talking about my quirks, but a lot of the quirks I do wouldn't be able. I can't. They're rated R, and I'm trying to keep this PG and G rated. So anyway, let's go back. What I used today for my lineup was Ariana and Evan's Plum Bliss Soap and Splash. This beautiful Nameless work brush with a G5C synthetic knot. This awesome Van Yulay Honeycomb bowl. My bougie sprayer, my other rabbit hole I fell down in. And of course, the star of the shave, Adopted Acres Soap aluminum razor with a Gillette Nacet blade. Wow, you stayed to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you have time at Saturday, 9 a.m. Eastern Time Zone, go to Instagram, go to the Razor Company or the Razor Company Live. Watch 4 great people talk about wet shaving and a great audience. And for all your wet shaving needs, please go to therazorcompany.com. Thank you for staying to the end and listening to me talk about my boring life. And remember, you are special. You're a winner. Bye.